Welcome to Fresa Technologies. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate ledger transaction invoices for particular organization. For this, first we have to log into our Fresa software. Click on Accounts module. Select General Accounts and then choose Ledger Transaction Invoices Download Format 2. Now enter the date range. And then choose Accounts. And then click on Submit button. The report will be displayed on the screen. You can download the report by selecting Download option. I hope you got an idea about how to generate ledger transaction invoices for particular organization. Thank you for watching.